Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna swap those four relays. I hope I can record all the video because my battery is only 27%, but I'm gonna swap those two capacitors, and I believe those three smaller capacitors. So I'll start the work right away, and as you can see there's 5 legs here, so I'm gonna start taking everything apart. I'm gonna turn on my so I need to take those ones out. Best thing to do it, put a little bit of flux on those legs, and then I don't like the resin that they put there. It might be a little challenging to remove it, but let's have a try. This actually went pretty good. This one too. This one went pretty good too. Let me just see. This one went pretty good too. Okay. Let's see if I can take this one out. This side is a little still stuck. So let me see if I can take it out. Okay, I think it's good now. Still a little glued in, but let me just see. Maybe somewhere on the side. Okay, I think it might be okay now. Let's see. All right. So this one is a little stuck on the leg there, so just gonna take it out. Boom. So one relay is down. So pretty much this is how you do it. You take those relays out. I have 3 more to go. Just want to make sure I ordered the right one. This one is going to be from a gas dryer. So this is from a gas dryer, and I don't have much charge left, but I'm just gonna show you, got the idea how to remove those guys. I'm going to remove one capacitor. I just want to show you how I do it. So we're gonna do those 2 legs, and then I think that would be it for today because I don't have a charge on my glasses. So if you guys have any questions, you can always ask me. You just put flux and you just go with your iron. You need to have patience when you do that. Take your time, don't rush. Sometimes it doesn't go all nice and smooth. Sometimes you just have to kind of play around with that a little bit. Let's see this one. Sometimes I put direct heat like this, and then I wiggle the component. So see, once I put direct heat, it will come out. See? See? Up. Okay. This one is a little stubborn, so There you go. So this is my video for today, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask, comment, and let me know. Thank you for watching, and take care.